Hi, my name is Yash Porwal and I have completed my MBA from BIIB Pune. After completing my MBA, I have joined a market research firm as a consultant. So it was nothing related to marketing or the subject that I have read in my MBA. The knowledge that I was learning through Craftshala, when the program was ongoing, I was not getting much time to apply that knowledge. So I started picking up companies to apply that knowledge. So I picked the companies from pharmaceutical sector. One was 1mg. So I created a draft on my own and created the strategy for the brand. So I created the draft and that draft had helped me in the job that I had applied for via Craftshala, that is Prognosis. When the JD was shared, the job profile that was mentioned was marketing specialist. So after I submitted the draft, owner Mayank Madan took my interviews. After seeing the draft and going through the strategy that I have designed, my role was changed from marketing specialist to assistant marketing manager. So it was possible because of my application of the knowledge that was shared in Craftshala. PHS is one concept that was introduced to us at the start of the program. So it was a very structured concept in terms of when you are designing the strategy. So whether you are at any part of the strategy, you can always look at PHS and it will tell you where you are lacking. So that was one concept that helped me a lot. Second one was regarding the super communication deep dives. It helps you a lot when you are designing the communication. Consumer is the most important part of the whole brand strategy. So these are the two concepts that I like to most focus upon that help me a lot. In MBA, I have not learned anything regarding the marketing strategy. If you ask me to do a marketing strategy of any company, I do not know aim of the marketing strategy. So I just know the basic Kotler theory and all that. So I thought that I should do a program that will teach me in practical sense. So when I joined the webinar of Craftshala, and I really liked the approach. And after enrolling into the program, one thing I noticed that the program is different from all the other courses that I have done in the past because the support was really good in terms of mentors. Second one was regarding the buddy that was assigned to me. She was always there in terms of helping me regarding any query with the program or other than the program. Third thing is the mentors that were assigned to us regarding the assignment. So most of them basically are marketing professionals who are experiencing the same things and applying that knowledge. So in case of any doubts, even if you want to conduct a second session, Craftshala never said no regarding that. So it was also different from other programs because you are gaining and applying mentors feedback because they are as clear cut as that because they provide the industry knowledge. So we were doing assignments in the program. So Dhruv was one. He's an ex-Van Perfetti. He helped us as a group a lot regarding the super consumer deep dive. Helped us to push the boundaries regarding questioning what we are doing. And another one is Tesh Goel. He's a performance marketing practitioner. He helped me regarding how to build up CV, how to utilize LinkedIn to build your key points in the CV regarding the job that you are applying for, what the people expect in the industry from the interview, and what are the things that you need to take care of while doing the interview. And another one is Tanuj, and he has taken my mock interview after the program got finished. So he helped me regarding the communication problems that I was facing and how it can be improved upon. First of all, if you want to roll into the program, don't just come for placement. Focus on the learnings and applying those learnings into different brands that you want to work into the future. The second one is consistency. You are consistent even if you devote 1 hour of your time to the program daily, then the program will be like a piece of cake for you, and you will excel at it.